Hello everybody, it's Katie here from Bulletin Stickers, and today I'm going to be trying something quite ambitious, which is using these beautiful kits I have here to plan the entirety of February 2021 as a memory plan. And so if you want to see how February was for me this year, then stay tuned. So let's just go through the kits. So this February monthly kit is by Designing Life, and I believe that this is a left, which is a Dutch word meaning love, so designed by love, and that's the monthly kit. For the first week of February, I've got this gorgeous gold foils kit from Morello Papery. For Valentine's week, I have this Leah kit from Strawberry Lime Designs. This unfortunately was a limited edition kit that I got back in Black Friday, so unfortunately this one isn't available. Then for the week after, it's actually mine and my husband's anniversary, so I have this beautiful kit from Hello Petite Paper. It's called Snowflake? No, Valentine's. I think we just got a bit of typing there. It's Valentine's. And then for the last week, I'm using this kit from Plannerface called Daisy. It will be a hyperlapse situation, so hopefully it won't be too long, but it will be obviously fast forwarded and through with music. So if you do have any questions about any particular stickers that I do pull in, I'll try and leave as many of them as I can below in the description. But if you have any questions, please just ask me in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to answer any queries. But yeah, so let's just cue the music and we'll get planning. So there we have it. This is my notes page using a Harriet Wright Designs kit. My February monthly. The first week using the Morello Papery kit with the gold foil. Week 2 with Strawberry Dime Designs. Week 3 with Hello Petite paper. And finally, week 4 with Plannerface. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.